Hey, it's Jim. It's February 21st in the grinding room. Pulled the 42cc Black & Decker saw apart from Chainsaw Canuck, so I'll just show you what I have planned here. So a lot of the timing numbers and stuff were really good on this, the way Kevin had done it. I think I've got a little bit of an opportunity to go back into the upper transfers and adjust some of that shape a bit. These are the transfer caps. I'm gonna play with some of this a little bit. I want to capitalize on the first charge toward the intake and get that to flow in there a little differently. Like what he did on the intake, and there's not a lot of room, I don't think, on the exhaust to really do a heck of a lot here. I do have to remeasure it. I'm going to end up chamfering a lot of the ports inside the chamber. They don't really feel like they've been chamfered that much, so instead of catching a ring or something, I'll smooth them, chamfer them good. The lowers, I think there's a bit of room to open them up a little bit as well, so I'm going to try and see how I make out there, and then yeah, with the tool here, I'm going to, oops, wrong side, just see how much meat's actually left in here on the exhaust port, whether or not there's enough to bother trying to widen that out a bit more, or if we got to leave it the way it is. So we'll let you have a look at her. Okay, so I think I pretty much got this saw finished up. I did reshape the approaches and the transfer caps. Did what I was talking about doing on the lowers. And this actually kind of reminds me quite a bit of some of the Echo 4910s and even the 7310s that I do. Anyway, smoothed everything up a lot and changed the upper transfer port angles a bit there. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to clean her up some more, and then I gotta clean all this old gasket stuff off and make sure she's going to seal up. So anyway, have a good one. Okay, so I clean the surfaces up on the transfer caps, just putting her back together. If you guys do mess around with these, just make sure you've got enough goo in there to give her a really good seal. I'll end up pressure and back testing this after I get it all reassembled, but they're pretty prone to leaking anyways, that style of transfer cap.